Hey YouTube, it's Brian, Cody Bear Ranch. Well, it's flooding down in Texas. All of the telephone lines are down. Alright, come on baby. We trying to make it home. I'm gonna walk it here. We got creek overflowing, of course. We're gonna make sure the homestead, everything's good there. Should be. Let's see, we ain't but about ankle deep right now, so we're good. About shin deep now. Once water comes over my boot, I think we're gonna have to worry. Hey, you gonna run me over or what, woman? Oh yeah. It's a good little storm we had out here, guys, here in southeast Texas. Most of y'all know we ain't been here too long, so I didn't want to take any chances, so I figured I'd get out and walk. Hopefully not get bit by a water mosquito or something. She's pushing the waves already. Oh yeah, we're good. No problems. No problems at all. All right. Come on up, let me in. Hey, let me in. You did good. You did good. All right. Let's see how the ranch is. Hold on, Cleo. Nope. All right. Got more rain coming. Yeah, we first came in the other way, this way, but the bridge is under. Current is going way too fast. I didn't want to chance it, so we backed out, went around. All right. Go on in and don't get stuck in the Grand Canyon here. All right. Well, looks like everything's high and dry. There's Bear coming to welcome us. All right, YouTube, we'll see you on the next one.